Hello guys, good morning. I'm going to cook egusi soup. Easy way to make egusi soup. Here I have my palm oil. I'm going to fry it first. And this is my meat. I'm boiling it for the egusi. This is my melon. I'm blending my melon. I just fried my melon a little, so this is the blender. I'm blending it. This is the crayfish that I had. So guys, let's keep washing. I'm going to fry the onions. Here is my onion, so I'm going to fry it. So now I'm going to put my tomatoes. As you can see, I'm putting this. This is tomatoes pure. It's already blended. As you can see, I'm using 1 packet of tomatoes. I'm going to fry my egusi. Keep watching. If you like the video, please guys just subscribe for me, give me a thumbs up. Thank you also more, and help me to share the video. So this is the melon. I'm going to put the melon. So guys, I just put my dry fish. As you can see, this is my dry fish. I have here I have cow leg, I have goat meat too, and turkey with a body. So I have different type of meat inside here in the soup. So I'm going to just leave it so my dry fish will not scatter. So let's see the end. Yeah guys, the soup is ready. The egusi soup is ready. Can you see? The easy way to make egusi soup. Can you see it now? This leaf I put is spinach, I just put spinach. I don't want to put bitter leaf. Just like using spinach for this. So guys, the soup is ready to eat. This is the pounded yam I'm making.